the iPad 12th generation. It's the one device everyone thinks they know, but almost everyone gets wrong. For over a decade, the entry-level iPad has been the safe choice, the student choice, the budget choice. But as we move into the mid-2026 landscape, something has shifted deep inside Apple Park. The rumors aren't just about a faster chip or a new color. We are looking at a fundamental redesign of what the entry-level even means. Apple is currently facing a crisis of identity with its tablet lineup, and the iPad 12 is their high-stakes gamble to fix it all. If you think this is just another minor refresh, you are about to be proven very, very wrong. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Think about the world we live in right now. We are obsessed with power, but we are being priced out of the pro lifestyle. Apple knows this. They know that the gap between the $450 iPad and the $1,000 iPad Pro has become a canyon. The iPad 12 is the bridge. It's a device designed to kill the middle ground. Sources from the supply chain are pointing toward a massive shift in display technology that we haven't seen in this price bracket ever. We are talking about the death of the non-laminated display. Finally, the air gap is gone. The pixels are going to sit right under your fingertips, making the interaction feel physical, visceral, and expensive. This isn't just an aesthetic choice, it's a psychological one. When the barrier between you and your content disappears, you stay engaged longer. You work faster. You feel like you're holding the future, not a recycled parts bin from 2022. But let's get into the brain of this beast. The A17 or even a variant of the M series chip. For a base model iPad? It sounds like overkill, doesn't it? But it's not. In 2026, Apple Intelligence is no longer a luxury. It's the standard. Every single feature of the new iPad OS relies on massive neural processing. The iPad 12 is being built as an AI-first machine. It's designed to understand your handwriting before the pen even touches the glass. It's designed to live-edit your voice as you record a podcast, removing background noise in real time without breaking a sweat. If Apple puts a weak chip in this device, the entire AI ecosystem collapses. That is why the iPad 12 is secretly the most powerful, cheap computer ever made. They have to over-engineer it just to make the software work. Now, let's talk about the design. The classic look is officially dead. The iPad 12 is rumored to adopt the ultra-thin bezel language of the iPad Pro, but with a twist. We are hearing about a new, industrial composite frame, a material that's lighter than aluminum but just as rigid. Why? Because the USA audience is tired of heavy tech. We want devices that disappear into our backpacks. We want to hold a tablet for a 3-hour flight without our wrists cramping. The ergonomics of the iPad 12 are being built for the TikTok generation and the remote worker alike. It's about balance. It's about a device that feels like a sheet of paper but performs like a workstation. And then there's the camera. For years, the iPad camera was a joke. Something you used to scan a document and nothing else. But look at how we communicate now. Zoom,